El Niño de la Música, the Heartbeat of Cuba. Once upon a time, in the vibrant and sunny land of Cuba, there was a little boy named Miguel. Miguel lived in a colorful house in the heart of Havana, surrounded by the lively rhythms of salsa music and the sweet scent of guava trees. Miguel had a deep love for music, and his dream was to play the tres, a traditional Cuban guitar. Every day, he would sit by the malecon, listening to the old musicians play and dream of joining them. But his family was too humble to afford a guitar. One day, while wandering through the cobbled streets of old Havana, Miguel came across an old man who was crafting beautiful instruments. The old man saw the longing in Miguel's eyes and said, "Music is the soul of Cuba, my boy. It should be shared by all." He handed Miguel an old but well-loved tres. "Take care of it, and it will take care of your dreams," he said. Overjoyed, Miguel practiced day and night. He learned the rhythms of son cubano, the melodies of guajira, and the spirit of rumba. His fingers danced over the strings, creating music that made people stop and listen. The old musicians by the malecon heard about the boy with the magical tres and invited him to play with them. Miguel, with his heart pounding with excitement, joined the circle of musicians. As he played, his music filled the air, more beautiful than anyone had expected. It was as if the tres was speaking directly to their souls. Word of Miguel's talent spread quickly. People from all over Havana came to hear the little boy who played the tres like a maestro. They would dance and clap, their hearts filled with joy from his music. One day, during the carnival, Miguel was invited to play on the main stage. The streets were filled with vibrant colors, dancers in flamboyant costumes, and the air was thick with the aroma of delicious Cuban food. As Miguel played, something magical happened. It was said that the spirit of Cuban music itself danced around him. The crowd was mesmerized, their feet moving to his rhythm, their spirits lifted by his melody. From that day on, Miguel was known as El Niño de la Música, the boy of music. He reminded everyone that music was the heartbeat of Cuba, a treasure to be shared and cherished. And so, Miguel's dream of playing music not only came true, but he also became a symbol of hope and joy in his beloved land of Cuba. His music brought people together, celebrating the rich and vibrant culture that flowed through their veins. And they all liao.